Good morning, dear students. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about the problem related to cone and cylinder. Uh, Before we start this question, we should be familiar about the formula of cone and cylinder. In this question, I have to find the total surface area of the given solid object. This solid object made by two things that are cone and cylinder. Cone and cylinder. Let's separate this two figure. One is like this plus another one this solid figure combined by these two solid. One is cylinder, another is cone. To get the total surface area of the given solid, we have to find the curved surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of the cone and plane surface area of base or base area. In this figure, base area is circle. So, firstly we will find the curved surface area of cone, then curved surface area of cylinder, then after add the base area of this solid is base area of circle. Now let's start the solution. Now, firstly, copy the given information in the figure. Sorry, here diameter is not written. 10 centimeter is the diameter of the combined solid. How much here diameter? 10 centimeter is the diameter of cylinder and same is the diameter of the cone. First copy here given information. First of all, height of cylinder. Height of cylinder here equal to 20 centimeter. Height of cylinder 20 centimeter and height of cone is equal to total height of solid minus height of cylinder, then we will get the height of cone, means 24 minus 20 is 4 centimeter. That is here 4 centimeter. These two height divided by one is h1, other is h2. And in the figure, diameter d equal to 10 centimeter. We need here value radius r equal to 10 by 2 5 centimeter. In this question, you have to find the total surface area of this given solid. To get that total surface area, we have to find the curved surface area of cylinder or curved surface area of cone plus base area. Then we will get the total surface area of given solid. So, firstly, find the curved surface area of cone. That formula pi r L. To get the CS of cone, he isn't given value of L. So find the value of L by using formula. Now L equal to square root of h square plus r square. H is here h1, sorry, h2. This is the height of cylinder, sorry, height of cone. Value 4 centimeter square, radius 5 centimeter square. 16 plus 25, add this 2, we will get 41. By using calculator, find the value of root 41. We got here 6.4, that is cylinder height of cone. Now total surface area of solid. Here total surface area of solid TSA equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus base area. Now, by using formula CSA of cone pi RL, CSA of cylinder 2 pi R H, height of cylinder here H1, so right here H1 plus base area. In the given solid, here base area is circle. So right here area circle formula. Put the value in given figure. Pi 22 by 7, R 5 centimeter. Here we get L equal to 6.4 plus 2 pi value same 20 by 7, R also 5. H1 height of cylinder 20 centimeter, pi value 20 by 7 into R 5 square. Multiply this 3 6.4 into 5 into 22 divided by 7, that is 100.57 centimeter square, plus, and here multiply this 2 into 22 into 5 into 20 divided by 7. Now value is 628.57 centimeter square, plus last one here 5 square is 25. 25 into 22 divided by 7, value is 78.57 centimeter square. Now add this all value 100.57 plus 6 to 8 628.57 plus 78.57 equal to 807.71 centimeter square. This is the value of total surface area of given solid. At last, right here, total surface area of given solid is 807.71 centimeter square. We can find the same combined solid total surface area by another alternative method. Now let's start how to solve the total surface area of combined solid by alternative method, in another method. Now firstly separate this figure. Now we separate this combined solid here in two figure. One is cylinder and another is cone. Now we are going to solve the total surface area by alternative method. In this method, we will find the total surface area of cylinder and total surface area of cone. And if we combine these two figures to make a combined solid, then this part of cylinder and this part of cone will be overlapped to each other. So we will subtract the area of these two circles from the total surface area of this two solid, then we will get the total surface area of the given solid. Now let's start the solution. Before start the solution, write the given information in the figure. Height of cylinder denoted by S1 20 centimeter. Height of cone S2 4 centimeter. How we get here 4 centimeter? Subtract the height of cylinder from the height of total solid is the height of cone. And diameter D 10 centimeter. Radius R, diameter by 2, 10 by 2, 5 centimeter, and we will find here total surface area TSA equal to what? We are doing by next alternative method. Solution started now. Total surface area of solid TSA equal to TSA of cylinder, TSA of cone minus 2 times area of circle. Well, we noted this total surface area of cylinder plus total surface area cylinder minus 2 overlapped area of circle. TS air cylinder formula 2 pi r plus h plus pi r plus L minus 2 pi r square. Now put their value. We already solved the value of L to get the slant height of cone. 2 5 value 20 by 7 r 5 plus height of cone 20 plus pi 22 by 7 into 5 plus 6.4 minus 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 square. Now find the value of this term by using calculator. 785.71 plus, and same is here, 9.14, 179.14 minus 2 into 22 into 25 divided by 7, 157.14. 157.14. By using calculator, we get this, and this value, this one, and here this. And add and subtract this all three value. 807.71. 807.71 centimeter square is the total surface area of combined. Sorry, write it last. TSA of solid is 807.71 centimeter square is the value of the total surface area of given solid. Thank you for watching this video.